Hello, grade 7 of the Good National High School. Welcome back to our video tutorial for week 3. So, hapit na kita mahuman sa week 3, no? So, this time, this is a continuation of what we had on day 2, which is addition of integers. So, this time, we're going to have the subtraction of integers. So, of course, our objective, ato ang tumong karong session na is to subtract integers. So, actually, kanang mag-subtract og integers, mura na siya rule sa addition. Only lang nga naay buhaton nimo una before ka mag-add. So tabla ra gud gihapon og nalang kay giusob, then you will proceed to addition. But before we proceed to the subtraction of integers, ato sang ila-ilahon og unsa nang mga parts sa subtraction sentence kay kibaw ko nakalimot na mo ana. So when we say, for example, we have 8 minus 2 equals 6. So kaning number 8 mao ni gitawag og minuend ang number nga imong kuhaan. Then this minus sign is the operation, and kaning 2 mo ni gitawag og subtrahend ang imong i-minus, and the answer of subtraction is what we call difference. Narabayoban mi unsay answer sa subtraction? Minus. Dili ha, ang answer sa subtraction is difference. So kani si minuend, kani ang operation which is the minus sign, the subtrahend, and the difference which is the answer of subtraction. So let us have the rule in subtracting integers. So rule in subtracting integers, we have in subtracting integers, add the opposite of the subtrahend to the minuend. So murag ko ano kay subtracting unya i-add. So mga na siya ka komplikado, pero komplikado siya pero simple ra kong masabtan. So example, illustration, a minus b is equal to a plus the negative of b. So kaning b mao man ni ang subtrahend, so positive, so i-change ko no. Then add. So si minus sign mahimong plus, si b nga positive mahimong negative. The same thing will happen kung negative ang imuhang subtrahend. For example, a minus negative b. Si a, pabilin nga a. Si minus, mahimong plus. Then si negative b, mahimong positive b. So that is why the opposite of an integer is the same but with an opposite sign. So ganina, si positive b nahimong negative b. Si negative b, mahimong positive b. So I know gitudlo na ni pa grade 16 nyo the rules in subtracting integers, but this time I will introduce to you the other way of subtracting integers, or actually din siya other way but kanang lain nga terms in subtracting integers, which is the KCC method or the keep change change. Mas dali ni siya manumduman kaysa anak nga rule. So when we see keep change change, keep means i-keep, di ni mo usbon, i-change, usbon, i-change. Mura na og relationship. I-keep nimo ang pagiging faithful, i-change ang mga negative habits, ug i-change pod ang mga negative behaviors. So para masulbad tanan, di ba? Hugot lang si sir. Pasegue. Okay, so again, KCC method or the keep change change. So keep, pabilin, dili usbon. Change, of course, usbon, then usbon. So this means to keep the first number the same. Change the subtracting to adding, or the minus sign to plus sign, then change the sign of the second number. So let us answer the following. So first, we have 17 minus negative 5. So ako rin siyang gidako. So 17 minus negative 5. So unsay buhaton sa first number, imong i-keep. So si 17, pabilin nga, 17. Then si minus sign, i-change nimo mahimong plus. Then si negative 5, imo pong i-change ang second number, mahimo siyang positive. So negative na himong positive 5. Then proceed to addition. Pila may 17 plus 5? The answer is 22. Another example, we have negative 18 minus 5. So applying the KCC or the keep change change, si negative 18, i-keep man. So pabili na siyang negative 18. Si minus sign, imong i-change, mahimong plus. Si positive 5, i-change nimo mahimong negative 5. So the final number sentence is negative 18 plus negative 5. So pareha man silang negative, imong i-add largo. So 18 plus 5 is 23. Da pareha man silang negative para sa atong rule nga gi-discuss last time sa day 2. So the answer is negative 23. One last example for the activity sheet. We have negative 23 minus negative 11. So keep changes gihapon, i-keep si negative 23, pabiling negative 23. I-change si minus sign, mahimong plus sign. I-change si negative 11, mahimong positive 11. So negative 23 plus 11. So rules in adding unlike sign, negative plus positive, imong i-minus. So 23 minus 11 is 12. Now kinsa may dako nilang duha, si 11 or si 23? Si 23. Ang sign ni 23 kay negative man. That is why the answer is negative 12. So that is how to subtract integers. Dali ra gyud siya, basta kay makuha ninyo ang idea nga before ka mag-add, imo siyang applyan sa KCC or the keep change. Again, i-keep ang first number, i-change ang minus sign to plus sign, then i-change pod ang second number or the subtrahend, and then proceed to addition. So rule sa addition mo apply ani only lang na kay buhaton Pilmiro. So let us have more examples about this. We have this, find the difference. So number 1, negative 13 minus negative sign. So applying the KCC. So timinig KCC, the keep change. So si negative 13 kay K mana, so i-keep nimo, so that remains negative 13. Si minus sign i-change mahimong plus. Then si negative 5 i-change po mahimong positive 5. Then proceed to addition. Pila may negative 13 plus 5? Di man sila pareha. Negative 13 is negative, 5 is positive. So imong i-subtract. 13 minus 5 is 8. Now who has bigger absolute value? Si 5 or si 13? Of course, si 13. So unsa may sign ni 13? Negative. So the answer is negative 8. So therefore, negative 13 minus negative 5 is negative 8. Next, we have 7 minus negative 11. Applying again the KCC or the keep change. Si 7 kay i-keep man. So pabilin siyang 7. Si minus sign imong i-change, so mahimo siyang plus. Then si negative 11 imo pong i-change, so si negative mahimong positive 11. So 7 plus 11 is 18. So therefore 7 minus negative 11 is 18. Minta tag ka ng puro negative kani. Example number 9. Negative 20 minus 9. So applying the KCC or the keep change. Si negative 20 i-keep nimo, so pabilin siyang negative 20. Si minus sign i-change mahimong plus. Then si positive 9 i-change mahimong negative 9. So i-enclose na nagparenthesis kay aron di ka ma-confuse kay nagsunod ang duha ka sign. So negative 20 plus negative 9 pareha man silang negative. Si negative 20 negative, si negative 9 negative pod. So i-add nimo, that is 29. So unsa may sign nilang duha? Negative. So the answer is negative. Last example, negative 8 minus negative 14. Applying again the KCC or the keep change. We have negative 8. I-keep si negative 8. Then si minus kay i-change man, mahimo siyang plus. Then si negative 14, i-change po nimo, mahimo siyang positive 14. So ay na pagsuwat og plus og positive kay as what I've said last time, kung positive number pwede na di suwatan og plus sign. So negative 8 plus 14, we have two different signs. Si negative 8 negative, si positive 14 positive. So i-subtract nimo, 14 minus 8 is pila man be? We have 6. So kisa may dako og absolute value, si 14 or si 8? Si 14. So unsa may sign ni 14? Positive. So therefore the answer is also positive. Now this time let us add without writing anything above. Wala na KCC sa ibabaw kaning last 15. 18 minus negative 14. So 18 i-keep, si minus mahimong plus, si negative 4 mahimong plus. So the answer is mahimong positive 4. So the answer is 18 plus 4, which is 22. So that is how to subtract integers. Again, apply the KCC first before you proceed to addition of integers. Igamit ang rules addition of integers, but before that, mag-keep change ka. So that is how to subtract integers. That's all for day 3. Good luck in answering your exercise. Find the difference and take time in answering. Ayaw pagdali kay madam magka